My name is Kyle Krause, and I'm a senior at Middle Georgia State University in Macon, Georgia, majoring in aviation science and management. I grew up in Cobb County, Georgia, in the northwest Atlanta suburbs with my mom, dad, and younger brother, Sean. Baseball was a large part of my youth, playing in recreation and travel leagues as well as high school and college. I earned my associate's degree in music from Snead State University in Boaz, Alabama, just outside of Gadsden on a music scholarship. I play both guitar and piano. While at Snead, I also secured a spot on the school baseball team roster as a pitcher. While I love music, I had been strongly influenced by my dad's career in both airline and corporate aviation, and in 2017, I earned my private pilot's license. I transferred to Middle Georgia State as a junior, and I'm currently midway through my commercial rating training. My dad purchased a 1962 Beechcraft Bonanza P35 to help my brother Sean and I build flight time. This trip will be the first multi-day endeavor. Currently applying for acceptance into Delta's Propel program and look forward to a career in aviation. County traffic, Bonanza 61 Juliet Charlie's taxiing to runway 31 Baltic.
Clear right.
Alrighty. You want to put the fixes in there?
Yeah. Remember what it was?
West 2, Heffen, Victor 321.
Do you have your clearance?
I was just gonna pick it up in the air.
Okay.
It's VFR.
Fine.
Because the aerobatic stuff might still be.
I don't think he's still here.
I know, but I think it was still
effective. That's fine. Victor 321?
Yeah.
The Gadsden?
Yeah, GAD.
And then where?
That was it.
And then destination?
Yeah.
FYP?
The 1210 that you pick it up here?
Yes.
Baltic County traffic, Bonanza 61 Juliet Charlie's departing 31 to the west, Baltic. Spotting into traffic, Bonanza 61 Juliet Charlie is left cross 131, departing out to the west, last call, Palming.
Romeo Papa descending from 10,500.
So when they tell you like a fix or something, how do you, and you want them to spell it out, what's the proper terminology to say?
Can you spell that out for me?
Okay,
Can I get the phonetic on that?
This is land approach, right?
Yes.
Land approach, Bonanza 61 Juliet Charlie.
I'm watching for traffic.
One Romeo Papa, you have traffic at 9 o'clock and 4 miles.
There is a guy off to the left, 400.
Right, 280, reach up 61 traffic, please.
Oh, there's a 6.
Thank you, Austin, 365, Atlanta, young.
Affirmative, 85 for 8, Buckhead.
Alright, he's 100 feet above us.
365, Atlanta, good
About
afternoon.
8 miles, 11 o'clock. Just keep your eye open.
Real crop.
Yeah, we turn to the right.
Reach 761, contact Atlanta Center, 134.905. Okay, was somebody in Charlie looking for me?
Bonanza 61 Juliet Charlie looking to pick up our IFR to Foxtrot, Yankee Victor.
You're already airborne there, 1 Juliet Charlie.
What is it?
A-firm.
A-firm, 1 Juliet Charlie.
Well, you're
1
airborne.
Juliet Charlie, squawk 7166, and ident.
7166, ident for 1 Juliet Charlie. I was just making
57 Mike Lima, turn right heading 100.
100, 57 Mike Lima.
Yeah, so the first call to him is you can let him know that you're at altitude, whatever. Yeah. Off of Paulding.
And 1 Juliet Charlie, ident for me one more time, and verify you're leaving 5,000 now.
leaving 5,000 and ident 1 Juliet Charlie.
That is a correct altimeter.
And 1 Juliet Charlie, radar contact 8 miles southwest of the Paulding Airport. You're clear to the Foxtrot Yankee Victor Airport. Via radar vectors to Heffen intersection. That's Hotel Echo, Foxtrot India November. Victor 321. Gadsden VOR, which is Alpha Delta. And then direct. I'm in maintain 8,000.
Cleared to Foxtrot Yankee Victor, radar vectors, Heffen, Victor 321, Gadsden, and then direct, up to 8,000 for 1 Juliet Charlie.
And 1 Juliet Charlie, read back correct.
Good job. Alright, so I'm going to use my little altitude alerter app. 8,000, 3028 or something?
Yeah, it's 32. 228.
Okay. Alright, I'm set there.
We got it all in. We got it direct after Gadsden.
Yep, I do. It is.
There's a 61 Juliet Charlie, fly heading 250, vector decline.
250, 1 Juliet Charlie.
I take that back, I don't have it direct. Oh yeah, I do. After Gadsden? Yep.
Option 365, contact approach 126.907, 2697.
365, real quick.
So it's always good to put it on the long range to see your entire flight plan. Make sure you didn't put some weird fix in that takes you some crazy direction.
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
I don't know.
Oh, I know what it was. A water bottle?
Oh, yeah.
Press it. Yes. The water. It's the water bottle. Might blow up. Shouldn't. But it's a big bottle.
I think it just did.
A big bottle.
I think it just bursted.
Did it?
I didn't like it.
I think it's just collapsing because there's only a little bit of water in there. Where are you at? 7,000? You could probably lean it a little more. He's 14 gallons in
There's
it.
a 1 Juliet Charlie, setting you at ready. The Atlanta altimeter is 3025.
3025? 3025.
3025, 1 Juliet Charlie. I didn't hear what he said at first.
You said
Did
you're
you,
going to navigate over
you set
LaGrange
up
and then go to
the
15
Hoskins
Juliet.
fuel counter?
That's correct. 611 Romeo Pop.
Oh, like how to show it?
Yeah.
Bonanza 61 Juliet Charlie, contact Atlanta Center 134.905, 3495.
3495, 1 Juliet Charlie.
Aircraft, urgent power up over the Crimson area, Tuscaloosa area, flight level 300, citation 680 reported, extreme, severe turbulence, flight level 300, time 1701.
Center Bonanza 61 Juliet Charlie is 250 heading, level 8,000.
61 Juliet Charlie, roger, clear direct gas, big gas, south 3034.
Clear direct to Gadsden, 1 Juliet Charlie.
3034.
Sergeant, car 233, descending 234418. Big car 233, roger, this is Wayne saying 15,000, Neil LaGrange, altimeter 3028. 3028, 15,000, car 233.
Severe to extreme turbulence. It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
That's what Mom hit.
The Archer just automatically resets it.
Yeah, because you got the G1000, right?
Left to 260, 1 Juliet Charlie.
Yeah, 4359.
3000's in there.
126.1.
Don't forget your checklist.
Yeah. Mixture. Drop it now.
Bonanza 61 Juliet Charlie, 5 miles power approach, 6 turn left, heading 190, maintain 3000 till establish on localizer, clear to localizer, rolling 16 approach.
Left to 190 and maintain 3000 till established, clear to localizer 16, 1 Juliet Charlie.
Your communications are excellent. Think about what that would have been 8 months ago, right?
I was like, alright, you said it.
You know what he's saying?
Well, because I know what to expect now.
Right, that's exactly what it is, all anticipation.
Cruise down. Now flaps landing light. Fixtures, bridge, prop forward.
Okay. So, there's 1800, Kyle?
Yep.
See the airport? Okay, going visual, leaving minimums. That's what you gotta say.
Juliet Charlie,
visit.
Yeah.